Good evening, everybody. My name is Joe Roberts, and today I will be doing a screencast on Slideout.js. This is a pretty nifty uh, plugin that I found, and I always wanted to implement this in my own personal website and know how to do this for future work. Let me get here, enter full screen. Okay. So this is for my WIA class, November 2015. Again, my name is Joe Roberts, and this is going to be a short presentation on Slideout.js. So to begin, what is Slideout.js? Well, basically what it is a touch slide-out navigation menu for mobile web apps or straight web applications. Its features include it's dependency free. It's a very simple markup, native scrolling. It's easy to customize, CSS transforms and transitions. And what do you know? It's just under 2 kilobytes minimum. And let's see, installations. Let's jump into installation. It's quite simple. Let's go. We go back. Go down. Code view here. You can actually access this through a CDN.js and implement this into your HTML if you would prefer it to do like that. Another great feature is to install it is you can install it through your terminal. The package managers, npm install slideout, spm install slideout, bower install slideout.js, component install mango /slideout. Now, our usage. Implementing Slideout.js into your project is easy. First of all, you'll need to create your markup. You should have a menu right here, okay, and a main content, your panel, into your body, okay. So basically what that is, okay, so you'll have your menu, and your panel is basically what is where all your content is going to go. That's what's actually going to be sliding out to from the left to the right or right to the left, however you implement this and however you customize it. So you basically would set up an ordered list menu inside of right inside your header and your nav, your main menu, and then here in the actual panel is where you can add things, like your main content, anything about the site, some background images and stuff like that. Pretty self-explanatory. So you want to add the Slideout.js styles into your web application, okay? So what this is using an index.css. If you're just going to put everything into one. So you got your slide out menu, position fixed, overflow Y auto, width of 256 pixels, left at 0, bottom 0, right 0, Z index of 0, display none. Here's your actual slide panel, slide out open body, slide out panel, slide out open, overflow hidden, and all this can be adjusted and customized again to what you're looking for, what the client is in need of. Next is where you'd actually get in to include the Slideout.js and create the new instance with some of the options. So in other words, you create a variable, slide out equals new slide out. You want to call the panel document get element by ID, of course the panel, then your menu, padding 256, tolerance 70. This basically is going to represents I guess the how fast or how quick your transition is going to be. Next, I'm going to show you a full example here, and then I'm going to pull something up that I'm working with. Again, this is totally up to you how you want to do this. This is a full example with HTML and CSS and JavaScript all in one. Of course, you can use everything in as external CSS JavaScript if you'd like. But for this presentation's sake, I went ahead and put in a full example of everything in one. So here you can see the panel. All of this is your panel, okay? And then right here is going to be your toggle button to execute that, and then right here will be your actual border, okay? So everything over here will be your menu. I didn't stylize this. This is basically just to show you how this works and how you can make this look. This is just, you know, plain Jane, couple little links that I put in here, and you click back and it disappears. Again, it's totally up to you how you want to do this. Some frequently asked questions that I found in my research, how to add a toggle button. Here it shows you how you can use a query selector, toggle button, then the event listener, click function, slide out toggle. Another one, well, this finishes as a toggle. Then you go and use your jQuery to toggle button, then on click function slide out dot toggle. Okay. How to open slide out from the right side. You should define left auto on the class dot slide out menu, left auto. Then you use a side option with the value right. So again, it's totally you how you want to do it. The way I did it on the example, I think, is pretty much standard from what I've seen, and it just flows a lot better with your content. Let me go back and see. And thanks for watching. Again, okay, so I wanted to show you basically how I'm going to implement this into my project for class, because I thought it was so cool. So okay, if I'm going to do a presentation on it, why not use this for my actual website project that I'm working on for class that's due later. So here is my site. Let me refresh. What I did is all this over here is going to be my panel that I'm using, and here's what it will look like once it's all said and done. I customized this of how I wanted it to look, and if you notice that the overflow, you can customize the panel and the overflow for scroll. Again, this was just a small demonstration of how it could look. It's totally up to you. Put it over here. The only thing I notice about it is that the transition's a little bit choppy. I'm still trying to figure that one out. But all in all, I think this was a really good plugin, Slideout.js. Again, my name is Joe Roberts, and I appreciate you guys watching, and have a great day.